first step is to open the glove compartment. Now we can push the glove compartment on the two sides to release it from the stopper, and that way when that's done we can release the compartment to go down. Prior to doing this, make sure you have checked your car to know what particular air filter works for it, and then you can purchase it. All this information you can find in the owner's manual, the car manual, you can find it in there. So the next step is to open the cabin air filter cover. Remember that if you're having difficulties getting the tools and parts I used, I have put a link to the tools and parts in the description below. Remember to check those out and buy tools if you need them. And please take note of the direction of the airflow. This helps during the installation of the new air filter. So the next step now is to take out the old air filter. And when you're taking this out, you take a look at it and compare it to the new one. You see that there's a lot of dirt on this, and this disturbs the airflow quality. And the airflow direction of this filter is very important. Take note of the airflow arrow that indicates the direction of flow. And now we want to install the new air filter in the same way we uninstalled the old one. Once that is done, now you can install the filter compartment cover. The next step is to push these two sides of the glove compartment, and this helps you push the glove compartment back in place to where the stopper is. And after that is done, you can close the glove compartment, and that's it. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.